Hey everyone, it's Ashley from the Art Factory, and today we're going to be showing you how to do a full face dragon face paint. So go ahead and grab a petal-shaped sponge. This is the Art Factory petal-shaped sponges in black. They're great because they're easy to wash and don't stain. I'm going to be throwing on the base here for our design today, and this base color is actually a split cake that we designed here at Art Factory and sell. It's called the Aurora Split Cake, perfect whenever you need a great bright green base color for your base coat. I'm just going to put in some around the forehead and the cheeks and a little bit on the chin. And I like to put the darker color toward the edge to kind of give it some shading. And then I used the darker edge to draw in some like kind of spiky horn protrusions on the forehead and above the eyes. Now I'm using an Art Factory number 4 round and some Diamond FX white. And I'm just drawing in the horns on the face and the teeth. So I like to put one on the nose, 2 above the eyes, a couple on the cheeks, and 2 little teeth on the bottom. And now I'm using that same brush and Superstar Midnight Ink Blue, and I'm just going to outline it. So I know a lot of times you outline things in black, but sometimes it's really fun to outline your designs in other colors. This dark blue really pops against the Aurora green face paint cake that I used for the base, so I think it really looks good. And sometimes black just looks a little harsh, so I just like the look of the blue. I'm just using it to outline all of my horns, all of my little spiky bits on the face. And then I like to put a few little stripes inside of each horn to kind of give them some texture. I like to put 2 little circles over the eyes and draw in kind of like a muzzle shape around the mouth and 2 big nostrils on the bottom of the muzzle, 2 big teardrops. Perfect, and we're just about done. I hope you liked this dragon design. It's quick, it's easy, it's great for festivals. You can get all of these supplies on our website at artfactoryus.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.